Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will create this 3D model, this one. There are the different views of this model. This is the third angle projection. This is the third angle projection drawing. This is the top one. This is the top view. This is the front view, bottom view, left view, right view. I will start from this bottom portion. This bottom portion dia is 20 mm is inside dia, 30 mm is outside dia, and the length of C you will see from here, that is a 40 mm. First I will draw this circular piece. Now let's start. File, new, part, and OK. I am selecting background plain white and unit system millimeter. I am taking front plane. Front plane is sketch. I am drawing two circles. This one and this one. Okay. Right click, select out of this. Now outer dia is 30 mm as per drawing, and 20 mm is this one. 20 mm. Okay. This one. Out. Now in the sketch, out of the sketch, future extrude boss base. Select this sketch, extrude boss base. Now, because there are the more than one close boundary, so this option comes selected contour. This one, select this one, select outer dia, this one. Outer dia and dimension mid plane, both side equally. Or that this dimension is 30, 40, both side equally, total 40 mm. Okay, this one. Now select the same sketch. This time inside circle, this one. This one extrude cut. This time extrude cut, and this one, middle one. Selected contour, this one. First click in this selected contour box, then click inside circle, select, and this same 40 mm, both side equally cut. This time extrude cut, this one. This I have made this. Now if you go in the window, sketch, this one. Now I will make this portion, upper portion, this circular. This die is outside dia 16 mm, inside dia 10 mm. Length is what? Length is this one. If you see that front view, length is 20 mm length. This is 20. First, and now I will make this one. Okay. Now window 16 and 10. Part, right plane. This time right plane. Right plane, this one, normal. This one. Slightly extend it, draw two circle here. Another circle. This one, give the dimension. Outer dimension is 16 mm. This one. And 10 mm is this one. It means wall thickness is 3 mm. Wall thickness is 3 mm. This one. Sketch is not fully defined. Select this center point and this one, vertical. Okay. And one thing more. What is the height? Height I am taking as per drawing is 30 mm. This is 30 mm. Now sketch is fully defined. Okay. Now same thing. Future in the sketch mode, future extrude boss base. Because there are the more than one close boundary. Selected contour. Go in the selected contour, click in this box, select outside circle. This one. This dimension is this time is 20 mm. Total 20 mm, both side equally. Okay. This hit the right button. Now select the same sketch. Extrude cut this time. Extrude cut. Selected contour. This click in this box. Select inside dia. Inside circle. The 10 mm die. Both side equally. Mid plane 20 mm. This one. I have made these two portion. Okay. Now window 9. Now I will make this portion, this extrusion. This extrusion, if you will see in the top view, this width is the 6 mm. And from here, right view, you will see these lines are tangent here. These lines are tangent to this one. And width of this one is 6 mm here, 6 mm. Okay. Now I will draw it. Bottom part, this one. Right plane is sketch normal, this one. Now line, this one, corner point, this one. Slightly extend this one. This and this and this one. Okay. Select outer circle, select convert entity. Okay, convert it. Now this point, no. Select this line, outer circle, tangent. Okay. This circle, outer circle, and this line, tangent relation. Both are tangent. These two are tangent. Okay. And I have extended this up to this one. And this is 1 mm. 1 mm, 0.5 approximately you can give this dimension. Okay. This one. And now future extrude boss base. In selected contour, this portion, this one. Again mid plane. Mid plane, this dimension is both sides equally 6 mm. You will see here. Okay, this one. You have to extend this line from this one. That's why the proper extrusion will take place. Otherwise, you will face the problem. Okay, this one. The same thing happens in the rib. Now, if you go in the window, this drawing, now I have made this portion, upper portion, and this one. Now I will make this rib. Rib width is 6 mm. Rib width 6 mm rib is there. You will see here. Okay, height was the center to this one is 30 mm. This one. I will make this time this rib. This one. This rib is 6 mm thickness at the mid of this circular pipe. This one. How I will make it? Window part this one. Part this one. Now this time I will take front plane. Front plane sketch normal. This one. This one and this one. And you click here. Okay. This one. Now first click this point and this circle. No. Select this point, this circle, and shift and this. This one. Edit sketch. Select this line and shift and this outer circle. Tangent. This time I am draw the rib. Now if you will see at circular portion, I will create a rib. You will see what problem faces here. Future rib feature. If I see 6 mm, this rib is 6 mm. 6 mm, this one. Okay, there are the three options of the rib. One is one side. If you will see one side take place, this is another side. This is the mid portion. This is the actually mid plane option. But both sides equally 6 mm, total 6 mm. Both sides equally divided. Okay, and if this thing, this one, you will see here. You will see this is not a proper matching. Okay, here you will see here. And if I options, document property, image quality here. This you can increase the sharpness of the object here from here. This one. So what I will do, I delete this rib. Okay, and this one. Edit sketch. This one. Edit sketch normal. Now you slightly extend this line. Approximately 0.5 to have you. First you give the dimension. I am giving the dimension approximately 1 mm. This one. Okay, this one. Now sketch is also fully defined. In order to make the fully defined the space, you can give the dimension, and in order to solve the problem of the rib, you can, the proper alignment will take place. Now you will see the difference here. Future, rib, and the same option. 3 option, one side equally, one side, other side, and this is the both side equally divided. Width is 6 mm as per drawing, and hit the right button. You also see the direction. Direction is should be towards inside. Okay, this one. Now you will see the rib is properly take place here. Okay. Now one thing more, you can now mirror this one. Future, mirror, plane, right plane. This rib is automatically selected. Future, this one. This is the future. Now if you see, I have completed all the things here. This one, I have made bottom. First I have made this part, and then I have made upper part at a distance of 30 mm, 16 mm outer dia, this one, and this rib also made. This is extrusion I have also made. Okay, I have completely all the things I have made. This one, and you can also give any color you want to give it here. Suppose you want to give any color here, you can give it any color here, from this one, appearance, and appearance. You can give any color here from this one, metal, chrome, brush chrome, chromium plate, satin, brush chromium. You can give this one, this color. This one you can give any color for this. I hope this is a good exercise from the for beginners. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.